There's a subtle pressure that can follow you into the day. To perform, to justify your place, to demonstrate your value through effort or achievement. That pressure can quietly shape how you move through every moment. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers relief from that burden and reminds you of something steady underneath it. You don't need to prove anything to anyone today. This quote reminds us how easily worth becomes tied to validation. We measure ourselves through productivity, approval, or recognition. Without noticing, we begin to act as if value must be displayed to be believed. Letting go of that need shifts everything. Energy once spent performing becomes available for presence. You begin acting from intention rather than obligation. Conversations feel more genuine. Decisions feel lighter because they're no longer tied to proving yourself. This doesn't mean disengaging from responsibility. It means releasing the performance attached to it. When you show up without needing to justify your existence, you show up more honestly. And honesty creates calm that validation never can. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice when you feel the urge to explain, defend, or demonstrate your worth. Pause and remind yourself that your presence is already enough. Carry that steadiness with you as the day unfolds. You don't need external permission to exist confidently. Sometimes the greatest relief comes from laying down the need to prove anything at all. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Worth is inherent, and calm grows when performance ends. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.